Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In today's video to do the Fortnite gameplay test on the Oneplus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, finally here is a video for you all. So which few of the users did ask me to do review on the Fortnite game. I mean, what is the default settings you can actually play, whether 60 FPS is supported or whether 90 FPS is supported. So that is what I'm going to investigate in this video. Let's see what are the default settings you do get in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. And this is my first video I'm uploading on the Fortnite game. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. And usually the OnePlus phones, they do support the 90 FPS. Yes, right now I do have the OnePlus 8T. The OnePlus 8T also supports the 90 FPS without any problem, Fortnite. But let's see this phone, Dimensity 1200 with a 90 Hz refresh rate screen in this phone, whether this processor will be able to support the 90 FPS or not. That is what I'm going to check exactly by default. So meanwhile, I'll try to use this real-time FPS meter, which is a floating FPS meter, which is available in the OnePlus Nord 2. That is really very good option. So in case if you don't know how to enable the floating FPS, please try to check this video. That will be giving you a clear idea how to enable the inbuilt FPS meter in the OnePlus Nord. If you cannot find, try to check the playlist. In the playlist, you will definitely able to find for the OnePlus Nord 2. It will be really helpful for you. So right now, I'll be using the default inbuilt FPS meter only during the process of demonstration. So let me to close everything, and first let's check settings. So what kind of settings option we are actually getting in this phone. So right now we do have the 60 FPS, not bad, 60, 45, 30, 20. So 20, 30, 45. So we do have the 4 FPS option, but there is no 90 FPS option at this moment in the OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see, unfortunately. So let me show you the display settings as well, because you should know what kind of settings I'm trying to use. So it's a display, yes, display, and the refresh rate. Let's go to the refresh rate, and refresh rate I'm trying to use 90 Hz without any issues. As you can exactly see here friends, 90 Hz, but the phone is supported only 60 Hz. That's no problem, because other Dimensity 1200, they were able to support 30 FPS only playing the Fortnite. At least this kind of really good, I would say, when compared with other phones. So right now, as you can see friends, let me try to change the quality to the high quality. As soon as I select the high quality, the FPS is decreasing, as you can see. So epic. So if you want to play at 60 FPS, you need to choose only medium quality during this time of demonstration. But let's see, I'll let you choose the 60 FPS only anyway. Let's whether we'll be able to get that kind of 60 FPS or not. That I'm going to test right now. Just I'll play a couple of minutes only, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. So I need to switch off the USB debugging before starting this game. So I did turn off the USB debugging. Now let's check what is the FPS we can actually play. Right now the match is about to begin, and let's see what will be the real-time FPS meter. So real-time FPS meter is increasing to 58. Just now it increased. Let's see. So this is going to be really interesting friends. In case if you want me to do any other gameplay test or maybe heating test for some time, I'll try to play the Fortnite game for 15 minutes. So in that way I can actually check the temperatures and FPS count. So let me know in the comment section below if you interested in this Fortnite game or not. So that is the reason I'm not trying to do this kind of extended video. I just want to keep it very short and sweet, that's it. But if you want me to do, I'll definitely do the another extended video on the FPS count daily. FPS count mainly on this particular, checking whether this phone was able to get the 60 FPS or not. Right now 59. Let's try to jump and see what will happen if I try to jump. I just want to do one drop test and then I'll be done. 49 during the drop test, as you can see, 49 FPS, 45. So it went up to down up to 45 FPS as well during the drop test. 59, not bad, 59. (59, 58 FPS I'm getting, not bad. And I'm getting haptic feedbacks, not bad. I'm getting haptic feedbacks. Yes friends, that's fantastic. I thought I would not get the haptic feedback, but I'm getting the haptic feedback while playing the game. Not bad at all. So friends, 59 FPS I'm getting. So overall you can play up to 60 FPS in the OnePlus Nord 2 without any kind of issues. In case if you want me to do different kind of testing like heating test and everything, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do those kind of reviews as soon as possible for you all. So Thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video on Illustrator for more updates. And don't forget to check the playlist for more details on this OnePlus Nord device. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.